In the ever-evolving world of gaming, innovation has taken many shapes, from powerful desktop rigs to cloud streaming on smartphones. However, one of the most exciting frontiers in recent years is the rise of handheld gaming PCs. Among the frontrunners is ASUS, whose ROG Ally 2 is stirring up a storm. With the first ROG Ally making waves in 2023, expectations for the second generation have reached a fever pitch. The ASUS ROG Ally 2 promises to deliver desktop-class performance in your palms, fueled by AMD's latest chipsets, improved cooling, extended battery life, and major design overhauls. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. But does it really live up to the hype? Is this the most powerful handheld gaming console of 2025? In this video, we explore every angle, from specs and design to pricing, features, and direct comparisons to competitors like the Steam Deck OLED, Lenovo Legion Go, and Ayaneo 2S. Before diving into the ROG Ally 2, it's important to understand the impact of the first generation. The original ROG Ally launched in 2023 with AMD's Z1 Extreme APU, a 7-inch 1080p display, and Windows 11 on board. It was ASUS's bold answer to Valve's Steam Deck and quickly gained traction for running full Windows 11 versus SteamOS on the Steam Deck. Superior performance in select AAA games. Premium 120Hz VRR display. Strong build quality and ergonomics. However, it wasn't without its flaws. Battery life was often criticized, fan noise was high, and Windows optimization for handhelds remained clunky. The ROG Ally 2 aims to fix all that, and then some. While ASUS has been tight-lipped about a full reveal, various leaks and early benchmarks have surfaced. Here's a breakdown of what we know so far. Processor, AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme, Zen 5 architecture, with 8 cores, 16 threads, and integrated RDNA 3.5 graphics. GPU, integrated Radeon 780M, class or custom RDNA 4 GPU. Display, 7.5-inch QHD plus OLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, FreeSync support. RAM, up to 32 GB LPDDR5X. Storage, 1 TB NVMe Gen 4 SSD, with microSD expansion. Battery, 70 WH dual cell battery, up from 40 WH in ROG Ally 1. Cooling, advanced dual fan, zero gravity 2.0 thermal system. OS, custom handheld optimized Windows 11 skin, called ROG OS. These enhancements suggest ASUS is pushing the limits of what a handheld gaming PC can do. With a faster CPU/GPU combo, an OLED screen, and better battery management, it's poised to offer an uncompromised gaming experience. One of the biggest changes users will notice is in the industrial design. ASUS has reportedly listened to user feedback and made the ROG Ally 2 more comfortable for extended play. Ergonomics, refined grip texture, rear paddles, like on Xbox Elite controllers, and more responsive face buttons. Port placement, better USB-C positioning for charging while playing. Modular accessories, new external GPU dock, detachable controller model rumored. Weight,